Bishop c6. Yes, and what if I play knight d5? Attack this. If rook e4. Knight c3 takes. And if I go king d5. Oh, this move. Bishop d4 and then take. Okay, he plays the best move. Takes this. King d8, king g7, king g5, this, king d8, king g7. Yeah, I have to take. Okay, let's go this way. King f3 is coming. Takes. Wait, check. I really want to play queen h, but maybe this. Yeah, I'm trying to find the best way. I'm probably winning somehow, but I mean, I'll make a draw. I don't see how.